Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is up to date and the app supports subtitles. This avoids wasted steps. Next, open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Subtitles and Captioning. This is where system-wide options live. Turn on Closed Captions plus SDH so captions show when available. Once done, you can preview default behavior in the Videos or TV app. Make sure content includes subtitle tracks. This immediate setup unlocks subtitle controls in most players and prevents permission or format surprises. Now you customize how subtitles look so they're readable without obstructing video. Go to Subtitles and Captioning, tap Style, then Create New Style, pick font, size, and color. This affects all supported players. Adjust background opacity and window color to increase contrast. Select an edge style to improve legibility against busy scenes. Once you save a style, supported apps will use it automatically. If you need bigger text quickly, make sure larger text is enabled in display and text size, which scales captions consistently. Finally, when playing a video, tap the CC or speech bubble icon to pick the subtitle track you want. This chooses language or SDH when available. If no captions appear, confirm the media actually includes subtitle tracks and check app-specific settings. Some apps have their own caption menus. If problems persist, restart the app, toggle closed captions off and on, or update iOS to fix compatibility bugs. One quick troubleshooting tip: test with another app or video to isolate whether it's the file, the app, or system settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.